What is a wood CNC machine? It is a machine that can build parts in specific patterns of patterns. This has been traditionally done by hand. Wood engravers use a variety of methods of marking the wood. Hand sawing marks are one of the most common. The most recent approach is the traditional CNC mill. It is a computer-controlled machine that can build a part with a variety of pattern ratios, marked in inches, so that parts are precisely cut in a known location. The software that does this allows you to manipulate the machine in order to fit exactly the part you are making. This has been the most advanced form of wood engineering in generations. What is an advanced CNC router? This is the last in line of machines. Unlike a typical wood engraver, this machine typically looks at the bit and literally moves in it with the control of a program. This allows a pattern to be created for a given material at a given location without changing the actual location of the part. This can also allow for much more accurate results with complex geometries and material with high particles. The software allows for milling, finishing operations for wood, plastic and concrete as well. What is a wood router? With the advance of laser cutting capabilities, design technology also pushes the limit in what a router can do. An early form of digital routers was a conventional head router. A router that moved in the head would be integrated into a normal router. Woodworkers have been delving further into these types of routers to give them the ability to operate under a variety of conditions. We go into detail about this here. What is an industry router? This type of router is designed to cut roof, substrate for flooring, stucco and more. It uses the same technologies that both a wood router and CNC mill has, but will use various lasers with different strengths, and this allows it to operate with different metal alloys. What is a laser router? This sort of router can be a little harder to define. This type of router provides laser cutting capabilities for applications that require extremely high precision, such as aircraft. It usually uses one scanning device for the edges of the cutting side that produces a bit result. Some are more advanced than others, like our laser router with the Big U laser feature with bits and bits. What is a conventional wood router? 1. What is a wood CNC machine? Think of a wood CNC machine as a very large router that drills holes into your wood. This machine can be operated without a power source from a battery that is plugged into the machine through the walls. Each hole is created by a laser cutting process. Not unlike 3D printing, the machine takes a non-living material and quickly and efficiently drills holes through it, applying a very precise layer of material over each hole. Once the hole is complete, a permanent stencil is produced to highlight the spot. Why do you need money? The higher the product costs, the less money you will receive. It is essential that all of the expenses are covered, whether this is in food, gas, or funding Kickstarter fees. If you are using Kickstarter funds to fund your Kickstarter project, please include these in the project. Why should I trust you? I am a wood enthusiast, artist, printer, and former graduate student in art and design for multiple schools. I am using wood CNC equipment solely for my own personal use, as a teacher resource, and to develop new learning opportunities. But the content that I am creating and sending to all of you is not produced by me, nor is it affiliated with me. It is created solely by myself for your enjoyment. 2. What is a wood CNC machine? If you are reading this article, chances are that you already know what is a wood CNC machine. Wood CNC machines are machines that use natural hardwood cams and a robotic arm to create a piece of art that users can see and touch. In my world, one of the best reasons to create a wood custom piece of art is for the look and feel it has. Making a piece of furniture with a CNC machine not only gives it the look and feel that you want, but also increases the longevity of it. This is because the wood used for the furniture will naturally hold its shape when folded or added onto a frame. What are wood CNC machines and tools? In this post we are going to look at the different types of wood CNC machines that you can buy online and how they work. Hopefully I can answer the many questions you may have about this amazing tool. Here's a few options. Here is a list of the most common types of wood CNC machines that you can buy. These are not ranked in any particular order. Please do not discount cheaper wood CNC machines. Check the amount of the machine you need and put this as your top choice.